So this one says, in nuts and bolts factory, one machine produces only nuts at a rate of 100 nuts per minute and needs to be cleaned after 5 minutes, for 5 minutes after production of 1000 nuts. So, so it will work for 10 minutes, right? Then it has to rest for 5 minutes. So in this group of 15 minutes, it will produce 100 nuts, right? Another machine produces only bolts at the rate of 75 per minute and needs to be cleaned for 10 minutes after production of every 1500 bolts. Okay, it is 100 into 10, right? So 1000 nuts it will produce, right? 100 per minute. So clean for 5 minutes after every 1000 nuts. Okay, the next one goes like this. It will produce 1500 bolts. Okay, and after production of every 1500 bolts, it's 75 per minute, so 20 minutes. It has to be cleaned for 10 minutes. So this group of 30 minutes, it will be that. Okay, now what is the minimum duration required to produce 9000 pairs of nuts and bolts? Now to do this 9000 times, you need to repeat this 9 times. So 9 into 15 would be 135. But at the last stage, once you produce those 9000, the last 5 minutes of cleaning are not required to be counted. So 9000 nuts will be available after 130 minutes. Okay, now let's see if the bolts can be produced faster. To produce the bolts, you need 9000 bolts. So 6 times this has to be repeated. This is 30-minute cycle. So 30 into 6 will be 180 minutes. Again, the last 10 minutes of free time or cleaning time need not be counted. So 170 minutes. So 130 minutes to produce the nuts, 170 minutes to produce the bolts. So the earliest that you will produce is 170 minutes. Option C is your correct choice. That finishes this question.